Hello students, welcome to this video. Till now we have discussed about almost all the terms which are usually used in algebra. So today in this video we are going to solve some simplification problems in algebra. The first problem says that simplify 4a by 7 minus 2a by 3 plus a by 7. We can clearly see that not all the denominators are equal, so we have to convert it into a like fraction. Because 7 and 3 both are prime numbers, therefore their LCM will be 7 into 3, that is 21. As we are converting all the fractions into like fractions, so we have to convert the denominators into 21. To do that, the first term here was 7, so we have to multiply by 3, and for that we have to multiply by 3 in the numerators also. Here we have multiplied by 7 in the denominator, so we have multiplied by 7 in the numerator also. Now here it is multiplied by 3 and in the numerator it is multiplied by 3. So after doing the multiplication we have got this line. Since all the denominators are equal, that is 21, so we can write all the numerators with their sign in a row just above it. Taking a as common, we have written the coefficients in a bracket, and on simplifying this we have got this, and this is nothing but a by 21, and it is the answer. Question number 2 says that simplify 6k by 7 minus 8k by 9 minus k by 3. Here we are going to operate this part first as it is in the bracket. As we know that the LCM of 9 and 3 is 9, because 9 is a multiple of 3, so here there is nothing to change, but here the denominator should be converted into 9, and to do that we are multiplying 3 with both the denominator and the numerator. So on simplifying this we have got this line. So now we have to subtract 5k by 9 from 6k by 7. Because 7 and 9 are prime to each other, therefore the LCM of 7 and 9 is 7 into 9, that is 63. Now, like the previous problem, we are converting this fraction into like fraction, and to do that we have to multiply 9 with both the numerator and the denominator, and for this case we have to multiply 7 with both the denominator and the numerator. So on multiplying this we have got 54k and 35k, and because 63 is common in both the denominators, so we have written the numerators in a row on 63. So therefore the result is 19k by 63. Question number 3 says that simplify 2a plus 1 by 3 plus 3a minus 1 by 2. So we have to convert this into a like fraction. Since 3 and 2 both are prime numbers, therefore their LCM is 3 into 2, that is 6, and we are converting the denominators into 6. So we can easily say that this 3 into 2 is 6 and this 2 into 3 is 6. Keep the balance, we are multiplying the numerators with 2 and here with 3. Now we shall open the bracket by multiplying this 2 with all the terms in the bracket, and here with this 3 with all the terms in the bracket, and we have got here 4a plus 2 by 6 and 9a minus 3 by 6. As we know that if the denominator is equal, then we can write the numerators in a row on that. Now we are writing the like terms together in a bracket. So after calculation we have got 4a plus 9a is 13a and 2 minus 3 is minus 1, and in the denominator it was 6, so it has come here, and this is the answer. Our next and the last question is simplify 5k by 8 minus 3k by 5 divided by k by 4. As we know that by Bodmer's theorem we have to go for the bracket first, therefore we have to simplify this one, and to do that we have taken the LCM of 8 and 5, and because 8 and 5 are prime to each other, therefore their LCM is 8 into 5, that is 40. Now we are converting the denominators into 40, and to do that we have multiplied 8 with 5 and 5 with 8. Now let's go for the numerator. Now we have multiplied the numerators with the same as the denominator. As we know that the denominator is 40 for both the terms, therefore it has been taken as common and the numerator is written in a row. Now we have to divide k by 40 by k by 4. So the division sign has become multiplication and we have taken the reciprocal of k by 4, which is 4 by k. So after simplifying this, we have got 1 by 10, which is the answer. Hope you have understood. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video.